Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh, a little more. Good job. Good job. Hey, it's pretty full. You want to go dump it? Good job, Tobin. Toby, you know you can. There you go. You want to grab it from this side. Grab it from that side, and you can wheel it.
Oh, I want one.
Oh, you want to try this one?